Hello! Have you ever wanted to make your own custom buttons for your quiz channel like Quiz Blitz? How about buttons like Daily Quiz? Well, today I will show you how to get started using PowerPoint. Disclaimer: a lot of the functions from PowerPoint can be used on the Pro version of Canva. You should be able to perform these steps in Canva depending on your Canva knowledge level. Let's go! First, go to an image website like Victizi and search for a 3D button. Make sure to sort by the PNG file format. Find a 3D button that you like this one, and click to download. Now, open the 3D button PNG image in Photoshop or your favorite image editor. Now, use the magnetic lasso tool to cut the base part of the button image. Make sure to take your time. Hit Ctrl+C to copy the selection, then go to File, New Custom Image from Clipboard, and paste the selection. On the bottom right corner, click the plus sign to add a new layer. Now, select the background layer and hit Delete on your keyboard. Go to File, Export, Quick Export as PNG. Make sure to do the same thing for the top part of the button. Open a new PowerPoint presentation, click and drag the 3D button pieces you just edited into the program. Feel free to resize to your liking. Right-click the base of the button and select Bring to Front. Select the top piece of the button and go to Animations on the top File menu. On the Animations list, go all the way to the right, then click the arrow pointing down as shown in the picture. Then choose More Motion Paths, and then choose the motion labeled down. Find the red circle which signifies the animation path, and adjust to your liking. I like to keep the top of the button higher than the base. Now, open the animation pane. On the animation bar, right-click and click on Timing. Under Start, select Start with Previous, 0 Delay, Duration 2 seconds, and repeat 3 times. In this same window, click on the Effect tab and click on Auto Reverse. You should now have something like this. Now, we'll create the button outline. First, click on each part of the image separately, and hit Ctrl+C to copy, and Ctrl+V to paste. Next, click on the bottom button base, go to Picture Format on the top menu, then go to Color, then click on Black and White, as shown in the picture. Right-click this piece, and send it to back, then position it behind the main bottom piece, and adjust the size to create an outline. Do the same thing for the top piece of the button. Now, you should have your own customized 3D quiz button. Feel free to leave the background green and export the animation as a video that you can edit in your favorite editor. Thank you so much for watching another Quiz Helper video. If you found this tutorial useful in any way, please like, comment, and most importantly subscribe. See you next time!